Hi guys, so today we're answering another question from a tenant occupier. They have had a rent review trigger notice served on them. They received the letter from the landlord or their agent rather, and they've asked the question, well, what do I need to do? Do I need to do anything at this point? So the step one is effectively check the lease or have somebody check the lease for you, a surveyor, and make sure you comply with the terms of that rent review clause in order to protect your position. Now, what do I mean by that? So basically, if you get a rent review notice from the landlord, you may or may not be required to respond within a specific period of time. That could be 2 weeks, it could be 30 days, something like that typically. And if you don't necessarily respond in the correct manner, in the exact prescribed manner as the lease states, then effectively you could be stuck with that rent. So whatever is proposed, if you don't comply with the terms, if you don't respond in the right manner, whether it's in writing, whether it's recorded delivery, whether it's the appropriate wording, then you could be stuck with that rent. So as soon as you get any kind of letter like that, if you're a tenant, the prudent thing to do is to get it in front of your surveyor ASAP. I can't stress that enough, and make sure they do the necessary in terms of serving a relevant counter notice. It shouldn't need to cost anything. At that point, you're just protecting your position, because if you don't, you could be exposing yourself in a big way. So remember, if you get a letter, give it to a surveyor, make sure they respond accordingly straight away, and then that gives you time to deal with the review in the appropriate way. Thanks.